Girls walk like this.
Hey y'all.
This, this,
That sounded
this.
so country. Hey, how you doing? I'm Sistagirl, and if you're all about line dancing, then guess what? You're in the right place. On this channel, I am breaking down all kinds of soul and R&B line dances, from some of the old classics to new choreography and even some of my own original routines. That's what happens when you start line dancing. It just gets to you, and if you're an instructor like I am, you want to just start creating your own dances. I make it so easy for you to follow along, whether you're just starting out as a beginner or if you've been dancing for a number of years. Every move is broken down step by step, so you can jump right on in and feel confident when you're out there on the wood, as we call it, also known as the dance floor. Plus, guess what? When we're live and we're meeting on Wednesdays at Rose Jordan Park in Lawrenceville, we are having a blast. We don't take it seriously, we just have a good time. If you get the moves, great. And if you don't, we don't worry about it because we're always practicing our dances and our routines. The more you practice, the better at it that you get. Not only will you learn a lot of fun new dances from this channel, but guess what? I answer questions online too. So if you got a question about a dance or you have a dance that you really want to learn the moves to, let me know in the comments and I'll see what I can do. But I definitely will respond. So if you're ready to have some fun and get your dance on, I want you to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos that I upload. You see, that's the new dance Pretty Girl Walk that we've been doing. You want to learn this dance? You don't want to miss out? Make sure you subscribe, hit notification, and let's keep dancing together.